Good for 2 points. 40-39. James Murray tayo. And a pass again to number 20. Pass again to Canlas. Up and along three. Rebound. Para ka number 3, Samprego. Siya na magbababa ng bola, Mr. Samprego. Pasa, Mr. Tuanyo. Babalik sa kalaban. Same ball possession, sir. 21. 21 out. And if Holder, para ka jersey number 44. Okay, technical. Sandali lang. Meron tayong technical. Improper tuck-in. Sino po? 3? Number 3. Tuck-in tayo, sir. One shot technical tayo dun sa ilalim. Sir, na-announce yan, ha? Wala po tayong warning. Technical po tayo kagad, ha? Oo. Eh, gago. Okay, technical shot. Both teams, sir, ha? Pag-tuck-in na lang po natin. Na-announce po kanina yan. Okay, good. Deadlock po tayo. Tingga, Quintas, Porcelas, tsaka yung tuck-in. Ano na po. Solid pa ng may tangan. Cross pass to number 4. Mahaba-haba pa yan. 9 minutes. Silva. Cross to number 3. Samprego. 10-second shot clock. Cross at masyadong malakas. Save. Para sa malalaksan. Nagkamadali na 2-on-1 play. Picking the back. Spin the block. Foul na tayo. Sa ilalim, number 4. Second team foul, dalawa ka na, sir. 2 shots tayo. Angap shooting, mga boss. Okay, good. Jumper ready, change before. Okay, good. Okay, next game natin. Jump G versus AHT. Yan ang third game natin. Block. Mag-ready na kayo. Last and final quarter na to. Number 5. 8. Tatlo ka na, sir. And the main event of the evening, One Love, Deg Ones and the team. Yan po ang main event natin. 2-1 yung first one. Wala po ang una. Tignan natin ang pangalawa. Jumper ready. Agi wala rebound para sa bola. Pass again to number 20. Hurt down. Soft drives. 20 kayo natin discard. Pinakamana. Picking the stall. Balik sa taas. Pointer. Baskets though. Here it comes. Fire! Yes, sir! Deadlock na naman. 42 all. 8 minutes pa tayo para sa last and final quarter. Next game again. Mag-ready na kayo. 20 pass to number 2. Break and loss. Big lalapit na loss. Reno. Rebound. Tuwanyo sa kalaban. The big man. The number 2. Silva. Reno ngayon. Stop at the center. No. Rebound. Red. Right. Pass again. Pinawa na block. Good. Sabi sir, wala ba tayong dead ball? Pass na naman, number 4. 4 na ngayon, 4 pa rin. Lego for the teammate. Stop and a pass to number 4. Lego for the teammate. Number 4 pa rin na may tangan to number 3. Stop and a pointer. Basket is good. 44 all, deadlock na naman, 7 minutes and 10. Number 20. 20 ngayon, 20 pa rin, pasok ang last, balik kay 20 Lacson. Lacson setting the play, stop by, kamo na dyan, engineer sa kalaban, nagkamadali na number 12. Lazy ring. Yes sir, time out. Okay. Change before, Mr. De Los Angeles, cancel time out po. Time out sila eh. Okay, cancel. Engineer, pasok ka na lang.